If you've accidentally deleted messages on your Monster 2025 device, there are a few steps you can take to try and recover them. Follow this guide to explore your options. Step 1. Check the trash or deleted items folder. Many messaging apps have a trash or deleted items folder where deleted messages are temporarily stored. Open your messaging app and look for this folder to see if your messages can be restored from there. Step 2. Use a data recovery app. If the messages are not in the trash folder, consider using a data recovery app. Download a reputable recovery tool from the App Store, follow the installation instructions, and scan your device for recoverable messages. Step 3. Restore from backup. If you regularly back up your device, you may be able to restore your messages from a previous backup. Go to your device settings, find the backup and restore option, and select the most recent backup that includes your messages. Step 4. Check cloud services. If your messaging app syncs with a cloud service, log into that service to check if your messages are stored there. Look for any options to restore or download your messages from the cloud. Step 5. Contact customer support. If none of the above methods work, consider reaching out to customer support for your device or messaging app. They may have additional tools or methods to help you recover your deleted messages. By following these steps, you may be able to recover your deleted messages on the Monster 2025. Always remember to back up your important data regularly to prevent future loss.